So at this point, we've gotten these headings squared away. There's pretty much nothing else we can do with them at this point before we have more of our design converted over to our template. So where should we go from here? I'm going to jump back to our mockup, and I'll zoom out a little bit to get a bigger picture. Well, we started on this heading because one, it's a basic element on our page, which means we can't break it down into any more HTML tags. It's one tag on its own. And also it's typography related. And a common first step when converting mockups to templates is to tackle the typography first. So let's continue in this vein and convert all of the rest of our headings over to HTML. So if we scroll up to the top, it looks like we have a heading here. And then underneath our qualities heading, we have some subheadings: passion, speed, creativity, and magic. If we scroll down some more, we have headings under this written by our team at the top of these two article snippets. And that's it. So let's tackle those. And just for some sense of order, let's start from the top and work our way down. So the first thing we're going to convert in this phase is this more than just a company heading.